your license, your registration.
I don't need a license, sir.
You are driving on an Ohio roadway.
I am traveling. I am not driving.
You are driving.
I am traveling.
You are driving.
Well,
welcome back to Trial Tactics TV. Today we're heading to Ohio for another right-to-travel traffic stop that escalates fast. The original video claims all charges dismissed, but that doesn't automatically mean someone won. Sometimes it simply means the state chose not to pursue certain counts. In this case, the driver was pulled over for speeding and for having no license plates on his trailer. Almost immediately, he goes into the familiar script, "What's the emergency? I'm traveling, not driving, and I don't contract with the state." Unfortunately for him, if this was his first attempt at this strategy, he picked the wrong officer, because within minutes, he's in handcuffs.
Need your license, registration, proof of insurance.
What's the emergency?
As soon as you get the information I'm requesting, I'll give you the information you're requesting. There is no emergency.
Oh, I didn't know. Well, what do you need from what was the reason you pulled me over?
Driver's license, registration, proof of insurance.
What was the reason you pulled me over, sir?
Like I say, as soon as I get the information I'm requesting, you get the information you're requesting.
Well, I need to know what reason you pulled me over.
Okay, and I'm telling you that that's not how it works. Okay, when you give me the information I'm requesting, I will give you the information you're requesting.
What's your name and badge number?
He seems focused on the officer's name and badge number, but that information will appear on the citation and any official report. At this point, that's probably the least of his concern.
2015 Ram TK Blue. Tax expired 10/8/22. And he's showing not valid. That's valid on
I need your license, your registration, and your proof of insurance.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
My name is Officer Ross, 110. Well,
Okay.
107, sorry.
Okay, what's the reason you pulled me over?
You can go ahead and send me another again. I'm going to ask you for your license.
Send the supervisor, sir.
On the way.
Okay,
Your license, your registration, your proof of insurance.
Interestingly, the officer anticipates a request for a supervisor before it's even made, which tells you he's dealt with this approach before. The question is, will a supervisor arrive before this situation reaches its conclusion? Keep watching.
Are you going to give it to him, or do you
I don't know why. I don't know why you pulled me over for.
As soon as I get the information I'm requesting, you will get that information.
Well, I'm
That's
not
not how it
gonna
works.
give you nothing that's incriminating me. I mean,
It's not incriminating.
Am I
It's a
under
traffic
arrest?
stop. You are detained right now. Yes, you are.
for what?
Traffic violation.
I'm not in commerce, sir. I'm traveling.
Okay, I understand. Guess what? You're on Ohio roadways.
Uh-huh.
You're required to have a tag on your trailer. You do not.
I'm traveling, sir.
How would
I'm
you
not
know that by the way you were
Locked in
coming?
at 50 mile an hour on the radar. That's a 35 mile an hour zone back there.
I'm not engaged in interstate commerce.
Okay.
The driver argues that traffic regulation only applies at the federal level. But under the 10th Amendment, powers not delegated to the federal government are reserved to the states, which is why states regulate driver's licenses, registration, and traffic enforcement.
You are. This is Ohio
How would
roadways.
he know
No,
about
sir,
the
I'm
tag on
traveling.
your
I have a
trailer?
right to travel.
He was
Okay.
facing
You're on
us.
Ohio roadways.
I have a right to travel.
Okay, so like I say, I need your license,
Well, sir,
your
I don't.
registration, and your proof of insurance. You can give those to me, or you can be arrested
For what?
for obstructing official business.
Sir, I'm not. I don't know what I've done wrong. I haven't done anything wrong.
I just told you the 3 violations I have.
Well-
Your tags are also expired.
But you
I don't-
wouldn't
I
have
don't
known that
Just a bit.
by
Fine.
driving
I
towards
don't
us.
have any contract with the state of Ohio.
Okay, you do.
No, I don't. I'm not. I'm traveling in my private property.
I understand.
I'm not engaged in commerce
Okay.
whatsoever.
I understand your outlook on it. That's not how Ohio law reads. Okay.
Okay, well, write me a ticket and do whatever you got to do.
As soon as you give me your license, your registration, and your proof of insurance, we can go that route.
He insists that providing identification would somehow incriminate him. While it's true that constitutional rights exist, courts have consistently upheld lawful identification requirements during traffic stops.
Well, I don't know what else. What you know? I'm not gonna give you anything that's going to incriminate me in
It's not
court.
incriminating. You have to do it. It is Ohio law.
Not when I'm not breaking the law,
It is. You broke the law. I locked you in at 50 mile an hour. It's a 35
which is
mile an hour
commerce,
zone.
right? It's a traffic.
No.
Traffic is commerce.
He's given a final opportunity to provide his documents. The officer clearly explains that refusal could lead to arrest for obstruction. The warning is straightforward. The outcome depends entirely on his choice.
expiration date on that was 11/8/2012.
Okay.
This is my private property, sir. I have a right to travel.
Okay. Well, I understand. the way you see
That's
things,
the way the Constitution sees it.
Okay, no, that's not.
Yes,
okay,
it is,
Ohio
sir.
law was what you have to follow.
The Constitution is what you
Okay,
took
are
the
you
oath to
going to
uphold.
give me the documents that I'm
Did-
requesting,
did you-
or are you going to be arrested
For what? What would you arrest
for
me for?
obstructing? I just told you that.
I don't
So
have the documents to give you. I don't know what you want. I don't know
Okay.
what you want.
your license, your registration.
I don't need a license, sir.
You are driving on an Ohio roadway.
I am
You
traveling.
must-
I am not driving.
You are driving.
I am traveling.
You are driving.
Well,
Okay, step up. Step right there for me. Right here. Put hands up on me.
I don't have consent to any searches.
He is ultimately arrested, and the truck and trailer are towed. Later, some charges are dismissed in court. However, dismissal of charges doesn't automatically erase towing fees or administrative requirements. Despite claiming he doesn't contract with the state, he later relies on a court order from that same state in an attempt to avoid paying impound fees. The order, however, doesn't waive towing costs or eliminate the need to properly register the vehicle before release.
I'll explain it the best I can to you. Sergeant Masters called the chief. Chief called the prosecutor.
Prosecutor
Dupree.
Randy Dupree.
He said that in order to get the truck out, they can't waive anything here. You still have to pay tow and storage for the truck, although you've paid for the trailer or some on the trailer at one point. Did you pay like $210?
$219 I paid to get my truck, and then they wouldn't release it after I paid it.
Okay, so there's some type of a money discrepancy there, but according to the prosecutor, you have to pay those fees to get it out, and you can have it towed. If you do wish to drive it, you have to provide license, plates, and insurance.
Mm-hmm. So they took Dupree's order over top of the judge's order, basically.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like. Yeah, the prosecutor gave us that advice.
Okay. All righty, I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Judge and prosecutor make it clear. Fees must be paid, proof of ownership must be shown, and the vehicle must be legally compliant before it can return to public roads. In the end, what began as a simple speeding stop turned into an arrest, towing fees, and additional complications, all over a refusal to follow standard traffic laws. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Trial Tactics TV for more real-world legal analysis and body cam reviews. I'll see you in the next one.